here we have our $30 starter kit of fodder. We got for a little practice because we don't know how it's going to work on our animals. So down here we have some in the process of growing, and up here we have finished fodder. And so this is our finished fodder. That's that. And what we use fodder for is it's protein, and it's helping our animals.
It's sprouted seeds.
Yeah, it's sprouted seeds, and it digests in their body.
It digests easier,
yeah.
yes, sir.
You can. I think you can do the seeds, but it doesn't go down and digest better.
Yeah, we usually feed them seeds, but they don't digest it as much.
So here it is. So,
and it gets bigger too. How big is the seed? The seed is tiny.
Yeah, it gets about this big, and it goes to here.
And then it gets big.
Yeah.
So it gets about 8 times as heavy?
Yeah. And because regular animal feed is like at least 2 pounds, and then this is
like 16 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And it loses a little bit of its energy when it sprouts because the sun hasn't helped it make food yet.
Yeah,
but they digest what is left a lot easier. And it's a treat.
And the most part I love about it is look right here. If you lift this part up, look at that. Isn't that just satisfying?
You gotta get to the video. Yeah. We're gonna show that when we go feed it in a minute.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say you like rubbing your hand on it.
Oh yeah, that is one of my favorite parts too. It feels just so relaxing, calm.
It's grass.
Yeah.
So let's go make some.
Oh yeah, alright.
So about how long does it take to make this, buddy?
Takes about a week.
About a week.
And
but does it take a lot of work?
not really. So all you have to do is take the seeds, pour them in a bowl just like this. Well, it could be smaller, and then you pour a teeny bit of bleach.
What's the bleach do?
It takes out all the mold.
So it doesn't mold?
Yeah, and then you put water in. So that's right here, and then you let it sit overnight.
Okay.
And then it's done, and then you can pour it in.
And then the trays are 2 parts.
Yep.
Which is cool because we don't make a big mess.
Yeah.
So you want to put this in the sink?
Yeah.
And then now what do we do?
We pour it in, and then all the seeds will go in here.
Now Mama's scared of bleach, so don't get that water on you, even though it's tiny little bit of bleach. Pour that in there. Like dump it. You want the seeds in the tray. Dump. Dunk. You want to scrape it all out? Here you go. Use a spatula. We don't want to waste our feed. We have a lot of stuff to feed, don't we, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
So what all kind of animals eat fodder?
Goose and geese, which we don't have. Goats, chickens, maybe pigs, cows, donkeys, dogs, I think.
I don't think dogs. Dogs like meat.
Yeah, they're greedy.
You could probably feed it to dogs because our dogs eat the goat food, but it's probably not good for them.
Yeah, all right.
So all the stuff we have, rabbits and chickens, poultry, cows, donkey.
Yeah.
And then we're going to spread it out.
Yep, just like that.
We spread it out good.
Don't work if you don't spread it out. Just like that.
We used a little less than we have been, but that's okay. Do you smell the bleach?
Oh, yeah.
Well, don't tell your mama.
Alright. You put a little water in there.
We're just going to rinse the bleach out, that's all.
Yeah.
And so what is your job with this?
My job is, like, every day, you take the both trays, you take the white one out, and you do exactly what Daddy's doing, but it's not washing the wheat out. It's watering
And then what
it.
do you do?
And then you put it back in the tray, and you put it back on this little stand, and it will start sprouting some more, and then every day you keep watering.
So every day you water them.
Yeah, and then it'll eventually, in about a week, turn into this.
Cool. So this makes what's called a biscuit. I guess because, I don't know, it's kind of a biscuit.
Yeah, we would keep watching.
And we're going to try to peel this out. We've never actually
Done this before?
I've made sprouts, but I've never made fodder for animals. And this is a
I feel like you're
test kit. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money.
I kind of feel like you're
And the holes are kind of,
I kind of feel
there's
like
a lot in there, so it's not really coming out like if you did it in a bucket where it was a big mat.
I kind of feel like you're breaking it.
Look at it. Ooh. And your mama wants to be here when we feed the animals. She's the one that made us do this.
And we saw cows.
Ooh, come here. Can you smell that? Smell it. What's it smell
Oh, it smells like I don't know. It smells like corn, wet corn, or sugar cane.
Okay.
To me.
Here we go. Let's.
Oh, well, and can you eat this, Daddy? Can humans eat this?
You can eat this. It's.
I kind of want to try it now.
People eat it and they call it sprouts.
Can I try?
But we've let this go just a little bit too long. There's a little too much green in here for somebody to eat.
Oh, give me some. Oh, give me some. P-T. Good
All right.
for me.
So we got the fodder.
Yep.
We're gonna try it.
Yep, I'm gonna try it. All right.
You like it?
I love it.
All right. Let's see if the rabbits like it. Here you go.
Never know.
You think he likes it?
What do you think, William?
I love it. I love fodder.
Do you think the rabbits like the fodder?
I think they do.
Your hand.
Ooh. She likes that.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh Nessa. Get you some, girl. Get it. Not the plate.
Wait a minute.
Oh, there's Cracker. You gotta share the love.
The
Oh,
dog's
Merle
eating
likes
it.
too.
William said he was going to feed to the dog. Let's see about Donkey.
Hi, girl. Hi, baby.
Donkey needs a treat.
Oh, she wants some more, Smitty.
Hey, buddy, I missed you.
Oh, yeah.
It's down there in Numbnuts.